Okay, today we're here working on this 05 Dodge Ram. We're going to make a key for it. They lost the keys. We're going to use our Lishi to get the code. So we've used some WD-40 and an old key. We've lubricated the lock a little bit so that the Lishis, so the wafers are nice and lubricated. We'll set this here, see if we can't get a good view of what's going on. All right. So let's see what we got here. So we'll start at 8. Make sure it's all the way in. 1 picked. 8, 7, 6 didn't pick. 4 picked. 2 picked. So let's go back up the top. 3 picked. 5 didn't pick. 7 picked. Let's try back down here at the bottom. Check all of them for bouncy. For some reason, it's not wanting to pick. Let's see. That one picked. 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 Let's go back to the bottom. It's not picking. I wonder why it's not picking. Let's just see. Maybe I'm just not that good. We'll try it the other way. 2, 3 picked, 4 picked. 2 picked, 4 picked. 6 and 8. That picked, it turned too. That must be picked. I swear I think we're having problems on 5. That's picked. That's picked. That's picked. Alright, we'll try this way. Alright, I went back and got this different Lishi This one says V2 on it. See the main thing right there says V2. I don't know if that matters much. I've never really had it matter much, but let's just take it and try it. So the cutoff for V1 and V2 are. Look at that. Got it the first time. All right. Well, there you go. So I guess the version 2 is better. I'm going to decode the lock real quick. So 8 is 3, 7 is 2, 6 is 4, 5 is 4, 3 is 4 is 3, 3 is 2, 2 is 2, so it's 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3. All right. Now it's picked and it's decoded, and we're all done. Yeah, I don't know why that first version Lishi didn't work, but if you look at these two Lishis, one of them is an older one. I'm gonna guess the first version. And then the second one is the version 2, and I really didn't know that there was much of a difference on these. You can't really tell because it's such a. Here's a picture of them. They're such a, similar tool. So the one on the top is the older one, the version 1. And then this is the version 2 here, because you can see it says right there, version 2. I never knew there was much of a difference. If you got any ideas, put them in the comments, because like everyone, we're always learning out here. And any help, anybody that can help, helps everybody. So if you like the content and you appreciated the video, give us a like. If you want to get more videos, subscribe. And I'm just a regular locksmith. I'm not glamorous, or this isn't a glamorous business. Just out here doing my own jobs, and these are real life situations. So sometimes it doesn't go as it's planned, but it only took me 6 minutes, to be honest with you. So that wasn't so bad. But that's Lishi in a 2005 Dodge Ram pick. So I took the Lishi out. I'll stick it back in, double check that code, and like and subscribe. This is Jason with the local locksmith company, Downriver's #1 locksmith. Automotive, residential, commercial locksmith services in Downriver, Michigan. That's near Detroit. Thanks.